In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content production system in Airtable. We'll set up a clean, trackable workflow that takes your ideas from spark to published, with a clear calendar and a place for all your assets. First, open Airtable, click Add a Base, then start from scratch. Name it Content Production so it's easy to find. This base will house everything you need, from brainstorming to assets to scheduling. Inside the base, create 3 tables. The first is Ideas, Brainstorming. Add columns for idea, content type with options like blog, video or social media, priority and status. This is your inbox for capturing and sorting potential pieces. Next, create the Content Calendar table. Add columns for title, content type, assigned to, due date and status. This is where each approved idea turns into a planned deliverable with ownership and timing. Then, set up the Assets Wada Media table, add columns for asset name, type with options like image, video or doc, link and used in. This keeps files organized and makes it easy to see what was used where. Now define key fields. Make status a single select with idea, in progress, ready and published. Use a date field for due date so it shows up on a calendar. Add an attachment field for images, videos or files. And use link to another record to connect ideas to the calendar or assets to specific content. Linking saves you from duplicate data and keeps context together. Create your views. Use grid view as your default tracker to see all rows and columns clearly. Add a calendar view on the content calendar table to visualize your publishing schedule by due date. And add a Kanban view grouped by status to quickly move items from idea to in progress, ready, and published. Quick note: the link to Airtable is at the top of the description if you need to sign up or download the app. Grab it so you can follow along. As work progresses, move items through the status stages, link assets to their corresponding content, and update due dates as schedules change. Consistent use of statuses and links will give you reliable reporting and fewer bottlenecks. To collaborate, share the base with your teammates. Assign tasks in the Assign To field. And use comments or attachments directly in records for feedback and version control. This keeps conversations tied to the work, not scattered across chats. That's it. With this setup, you'll have a simple, powerful system for capturing ideas, scheduling content, managing files, and publishing on time. If this helped, check the link in the description to start using Airtable today. And thanks for watching.